Hey, what's new, guys? Definitely not this CD player, but my name is Spencer from For Low, and I got this JVC 5-disc CD changer to show you. The model number is XL-FZ258BK. But before we get into it, do you know what the acronym CD stands for? You probably do. It's compact disc. Sorry if you already knew that, but I'm running a little low on fun facts. But let's go ahead and talk about this thing. On the rear panel, you have optical digital audio right here. And then you have your AC input. And then you have your right and left audio output. And then you have CompuLink 3 input and output right there. And this thing was manufactured in May of 2000. So to wire it up, you'll just plug in your power cord and your audio cable. Just match up the colors. You can also use digital audio if you prefer. And I would recommend using a sound system with an amplifier. You can connect it to just about any speaker, but you won't get the same quality. So we'll go ahead and insert a CD and begin playback. And this is the original remote for it. It's got all your basic functions on it. You can push the exchange button if you want to change 4 of the discs while 1 continues to play. And then you have your continue, program, and random buttons. If you want to use those, you just push stop, and then you can pick which one you want to use. And then you have an open and close button as well, and even a power button if you want to shut it off. And then with the repeat function, you can set it to repeat 1 disc or all discs, and it'll play non-stop. And then you have your skip forward, skip backwards, and then your search buttons, as well as play, stop, and pause. And then on the front panel here, you have your power button, and then all these functions again. You have call, memory, random, play mode, repeat, and then your disc select buttons. And then you have your phone's level adjustment right here. If you want to adjust the output for the headphones, you can connect headphones if you want to. And then over here you have your disc skip button and your search and skip forward and skip backwards buttons. If you hold it, it'll quickly search through the song. And then you have your stop, and then your play pause button, and then you have your open close button and exchange button. And then down here you have your track select buttons. And it does have a 1-bit PEM DD converter. That's pretty much all there is for this JVC 5-disc CD player. If you want to order one, give us a call or check out our online store.